Arohi Akpala Kids Studio. Today we learn about body parts. Let's start. Head. This is my head. This is my head. Hair. I have hair. I have hair. Eyes. I have two eyes. I have two eyes. Eyebrow. I have two eyebrows. I have two eyebrows. Ear. I have two ears. I have two ears. Nose. This is my nose. This is my nose. Mouth. This is my mouth. This is my mouth. Teeth. I have teeth. I have teeth. Tongue. This is my tongue. This is my tongue. Chin. This is my chin. This is my chin. Cheek. This is my cheek. This is my cheek. Lips. This is my lips. This is my lips. Neck. This is my neck. This is my neck. Shoulder. I have shoulders. I have shoulders. Arms. I have arms. I have arms. Elbow. This is my elbow. This is my elbow. Hands. I have hands. I have hands. Fingers. I have fingers. I have fingers. Nail. I have nails. I have nails. Stomach. This is my stomach. This is my stomach. Belly. This is my belly. This is my belly. Legs. I have legs. I have legs. Knee. This is my knee. This is my knee. Ankle. This is my ankle. This is my ankle. Feet. I have feet. I have feet. Toes. I have toes. I have toes. Brain. I have a brain. I have a brain. Heart. I have a heart. I have a heart. Bone. I have bone. I have bone. Lungs. I have lungs. I have lungs. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.